India would rather ignore the May ceasefire. When fighting stopped, it was not New Delhi that announced peace first. It was US President Donald Trump. Trump publicly said, and I quote, both countries will now move towards dialogue to resolve their issues. Pakistan responded immediately. Comprehensive dialogue, Kashmir trade, regional stability. India's response? Silence. Complete silence, and even worse. New Delhi declared Operation Sindoor is still ongoing. No talks, no roadmap, no engagement until Dhaka. Now the most important question, how is Pakistan taking this? Not emotionally, not theoretically, but cautiously. Pakistan does not see this as breakthrough or serious progress. Foreign office sources indicate Pakistan tries to understand one thing. Is this a green signal? Is India finally ready to talk? The answer so far, no. Because 2 years of Jaishankar's statement cannot be erased by one smile. A handshake is a small step. A cosmetic step, Pakistan cannot respond to symbolism alone.